What's up, y'all? Happy whatever day I post this is, but right now it's Monday night. It is 11:26. I am on my way to MGE8 to go to Alabama. This trip is paying $671, so we about to go get this money. Hopefully y'all having a great week so far, and yeah, let's go and see what this load is all about. So I will see you all in a second. Here early, y'all, 20 minutes early, but somebody's at my door, so sucks. But if they're not out within the next 5 minutes, I'm about to go in there and see what's going on. So we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see, because this is box trucks that's parked up, y'all. We're gonna see. What they told me to do is go to a next available pod, because it's getting close to the time I'm actually supposed to arrive. And I went inside and I saw that driver is not supposed to check out for another 29 minutes. So I'm just gonna go to 334 and then pod 87. So I'll see y'all in a bit. So y'all, I'm here at this facility, right? Why none of my freight is ready? Can y'all even hear me? None of my freight is ready. She's talking about something they're gonna have to bring in the freight. Why wasn't the freight here already? It's 12:30. My check-in time was 12:20. Everything should have been here. There's nothing here, nothing laid out. So I don't know if I'm probably just gonna call Amazon, because what? Why is nothing ready? I'm so confused. Y'all, it's 12:50 and they just brought one pallet. My departure time is 1 o'clock. I already called the ROC and told them what was going on. By the time I called ROC, oh shoot. Nothing was brought out. 12:40, they started bringing out one pallet. It was like, oh yeah, there's much more to come. I'm like, okay. So 1 o'clock, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna take this one pallet and call it a day, because this is not my fault, period. Y'all, it's 1 o'clock, my departure time. This is all they had out there, and they said that's all I gotta bring. So guess what? Got a blast. See ya. Alrighty, y'all. Off to Alabama I go with my one pallet. Thank you, Jesus. What? Such light work. Such light work. Okay, it's open now. So I'm trying to sing off. Hey y'all, so welcome to the recap video. Happy Tuesday. Y'all, I literally did not really sleep since last night, since I had some other acting stuff to do once I got back from Alabama last night, so I am kind of tired. But I had to do this video. I had to get it out there. So we're gonna do the breakdown right now. I saw comments saying that you all love when I do the breakdown, so we're gonna break down this trip. So we did a total miles of 347.5 miles, and Deadhead was unfortunately 185.9 miles, but that was okay. We had a total payout of $624.06. Rate per mile, $3.72 per mile. This is what Amazon was offering me. Well, this is what Amazon gave me. And then my cost per mile is $1.25 per mile, which leaves me at a final rate per mile after everything, expenses, deadhead, all that good stuff, at $1.79 per mile. So we most definitely did make a profit, which is absolutely amazing. So last night was a great, easy run. One pallet. I'm really glad that they brought out that one pallet, because if they had not, then they would have canceled my load for $175, which is much lower than what I would have made going to Alabama. So I'm really glad that I was able to get this one pallet in. I didn't even think they would let me go with it, but they sure did. So that was my last night's trip. Yeah, y'all. So usually what I do, I usually set my poster truck, but what I've noticed is that Atlanta has been posting loads during the daytime. So I've been picking those up and I'm getting more than I would on my poster truck. But I know I saw a video earlier today, actually, when I was on, I saw a video earlier on YouTube saying like set your poster truck high or whatever. But yeah, so we just, in business, you grow, you learn and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all. So that's this video, y'all. So thank you for checking out yet another video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all